You just tap the shutter, and your phone already guesses the best filter. No Wi-Fi, no cloud, no delay, just your face, brighter than it was a second ago. You might not even notice it. That soft blur behind you, that sharpened edge in your hair, it's all happening inside the phone, in a processor that now thinks like a brain. The old way was simple. You took a photo, sent it to a server, waited for the magic, and got the result. But now, the magic is no longer in the sky. It's in your hand, in a chip that learned how to see by looking at millions of pictures, and now, it does it on its own. You might wonder, why care if it happens in the cloud or in the phone? Here's why. When the AI is inside your phone, it doesn't need permission from a server to act. It reacts instantly, right when you do. That split second you expect it to understand you, it does. And your data? It doesn't leave. No uploading, no storing, no third-party peeking. Your words, your face, your home, they stay with you. That's the quiet revolution. Your phone is no longer a dumb messenger. It's a thinking machine, and it's getting better every time you use it offline. Imagine a highway of data that used to stretch halfway around the world. Now it never leaves your hand. Your phone no longer asks a faraway machine what your face looks like. It figures it out itself. Inside that sliver of silicon, a new kind of learning takes place. The AI isn't just following orders anymore. It's trained to understand what you need, even when you don't say it. A voice assistant that answers before the sentence ends? That's it, working fast enough to feel real. This shift isn't just about speed, it's about control. Before, your words had to travel, sometimes through dozens of hands, just to get a reply. Now, everything you say or snap stays with you. And it's not just your photos or voice. Games respond faster, apps adapt on the fly, and your phone doesn't wait for the internet to decide what it's doing. Still, this power isn't free. The more it thinks, the harder it works, and the quicker it drains your battery. You might wonder, how long can this go on? Soon, maybe, your phone won't need the cloud at all. Here's what changed. Your voice doesn't leave your phone. Not the whole thing, not your exact words, not even the tone. It's processed right there in real time. That's why your assistant can answer before you finish asking, because it's not waiting for a faraway server to catch up. And that's not just about convenience. Before, you had to trust that whatever you said would stay private, even if it got copied, stored, or sold somewhere along the way. Now, the data never leaves. It's like whispering in a soundproof room. No one hears, no one records. Speed is the other win. That delay you used to get, the blinking cursor, the waiting wheel, it's gone. The AI chip is built for exactly this kind of thinking. It handles what you do every day, typing, taking photos, asking questions, with no need to wait. But here's the trick. It's not just smarter, it's more personal. Your phone now adapts to you, not to a company's template, and all of it happens quietly, in the background, without you ever noticing. You've probably noticed it already, not just your voice, but whole apps working like they've always known what you needed. That translation? It's happening right there, in your phone, without waiting for some faraway server to catch up. And it's not just for language. Think about that smart camera that blurs backgrounds or the app that knows your face before you even look at it. All of that is now possible even when you're offline, because the AI is no longer in the cloud. It's right there, inside your pocket. Here's what that really means. Your phone is no longer asking for permission to work. It's making decisions, adapting to you, and doing it so fast it feels like magic. But it's not magic, it's hardware that's been built to handle this kind of thinking without needing a connection. That's why these apps feel so much smarter. They're not just faster, they're more personal. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wonder. You just get what you need when you need it. Even better, you don't have to carry Wi-Fi with you. The future isn't about staying connected, it's about working better, even when you're not. That same power that makes your phone feel like it's thinking also makes it work harder. The AI that once lived in a cool, air-conditioned server farm is now crammed into a pocket-sized device that runs on a battery. And batteries don't like to be pushed too far. You might not notice it at first, maybe just a slightly warm phone or a faster than usual drop in battery. But if you run these AI-heavy apps for long, the drain is obvious. Why? Because your phone is now doing what used to take a supercomputer. It's not just running an app, it's crunching numbers, learning on the fly, and all of that takes energy. So now, if you want to use AI offline, you'll probably need to charge more often. It's a trade-off: smarter, faster tools for a hungrier battery. The better question isn't just whether your phone can do AI, it's whether it can keep it going all day. The next generation of phones won't just do AI without the internet, they might not even try to connect. Engineers are building chips from the ground up to handle AI tasks, not just copy old ways of computing. This shift means your phone won't pause to ask a faraway server for help. It already knows what you need. Language apps, photo editors, and even security tools could run entirely inside your phone. No lag, no upload, no waiting. These phones won't forget the internet, but they'll be designed to thrive without it. And that means your data stays with you, not somewhere far away. It's not just about convenience. The future isn't in the cloud, it's in your pocket. These devices won't just be offline ready, they'll be offline first. And that's already starting to happen. This isn't just a better phone, it's a different kind of phone. One that thinks for itself. The hardware inside isn't just a faster version of old tech, it's built to do AI where it matters most, right there in your hand. And it doesn't just make things faster, it changes the rules. You don't have to trust a faraway server to keep your photos private. The AI works on your data and leaves it alone. You don't have to wait for permission from the internet to get things done. This kind of power used to live only in labs and servers the size of warehouses. Now it fits into something you can hold. And as these chips keep getting smarter, they're not just doing more, they're doing it without asking. The next question isn't, what can it do for me? But what should it do without me asking? What if your phone could learn your habits and change how it works for